So I got some breaking Pi news coming in right now. This is actually trending on X. It says Pi network enhances security for two-factor authentication requirement for mainnet migration. This is some breaking news coming in. This just started trending 54 minutes ago. It says the Pi network has introduced the two-factor authentication, that's 2FA, for certain users, requiring them to verify their identity via trusted email before their Pi can be migrated to the mainnet blockchain. Now, this update, effective from March 13, 2025, aims to enhance wallet security. Now, users in the 14-day pending period must complete their process or risk their Pi running to their mining app. Now, I'm going to explain to you what this means, what this update means. But I see the Pi Core team just posted a tweet or posted an X 6 hours ago saying Pi Network has released two-factor authentication 2FA for wallet confirmation that requires some pioneers to complete 2FA using a trusted email before the Pi is successfully migrated to the mainnet blockchain. And they put up a link going on to the blog. We're going to go to the blog right now. But before that, I see some of the people in the community, on the X community, is posting. This is Jatin Gupta, one of the biggest, most influential voices here, saying that Pi Network introduces two-factor authentication to enhance account security. The date, and this is basically what the blog was posting. I also see Open Mainnet here. You see Pi Revolution here with an amazing graphic coming through. And a couple of people are chatting here. So what I want to do right now, I want to explain to you what this whole thing means, what the two-factor authentication means, because this is the blog that the Pi Core team just posted a few hours ago, saying the two-factor authentication for Pi migration wallet helps ensure Pioneer account security. What does this mean? So 2FA. So 2FA. Everyone is talking. Is my Pi safe? What is happening? What does this mean? First of all, now this affects the people who've already completed the mainnet checklist. So if you haven't done the mainnet yet, you need first of all do your KYC. Once you completed your KYC, now this is the next step before we get into mainnet. So we've been waiting for mainnet. Of course, we went live during Pi Day, that is March 14th. We went live, but right now, up to now, we haven't yet been able to transfer the Pi that we've been mining into the main ecosystem. Most of us, like I personally, I haven't. I know a couple of people have, but most bulk of us really haven't. And this is the last checkpoint before now we can access this. So if you haven't done your KYC, this really doesn't affect you, but you still need to watch, because you will still get to this point. And at this point, I forgot to introduce Qualcomm. This is the Pi Network Africa Community News update. I'm your host, XT Ndela. You can call me X. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe and share this information to someone who needs to understand Pi. So let's go back to the two-factor authentication. What is 2FA for a start? So 2FA is basically another layer of security that is needed when it comes to securing your Pi coins and your Pi wallet and your Pi and the Pi ecosystem. It's very, very important. Look at it like this. Even where you're living right now, you do not just have one door protecting you from thieves, from the outside world. You maybe live in an apartment, you live in an estate, you live in a gated community. You have a gate. There's a gate and there's a security guard at the entrance. So you have that layer of security. So Pi Network is just basically adding another layer of security to make sure that our Pi and the ecosystem in itself is secure. Now the question is, right now, why now? Why is it very important? It is very important because remember, we have been mining Pi for the past 6 years, and a lot of people have been having 10 accounts, 50 accounts. People have been trying to use bots. People have been trying to play the system and fake the system. So this is a very important point, because now the Pi Core team says, okay, we've opened the doors, we are getting into mainnet, but we need to make sure that the coins that are actually getting into the blockchain, into the mainnet system, are not coins that have been mined by robots, not coins that have been mined by AGI right now, that we have AGI, mind-boggling. So it's not mined by AGI, these are people, and that's why there's the liveliness check. So right now, a pop-up will appear It's going to look like this. So the question is, I was actually jumping there. How do I set it up? How do I set it up? So a pop-up like this is going to appear. If you haven't seen this pop-up yet, it means you haven't yet completed your KYC. So head over to your mainnet checklist. I'm going to show you in a few. Head over into your mainnet checklist and check whether or not you have completed your KYC. It's very, very, very extremely important to complete your KYC before getting to this point. Now, once you get to this point, this is just the last confirmation, because Pi now needs to send this coin somewhere to a trusted wallet, a wallet that you have access to, a wallet that is controlled by an email address. It's linked to an email address that only you trust, that only you have access to. And there's certain layers of protection that steps that Pi has actually put in place to make sure that this is actually credible. Because right now, people might want to get access to your account. They might be sending you some fishy and funny email addresses. So before you click any link, and this is why Pi actually did this important blog. Before you do any link, you have to make sure that the email address you're getting is actually from Pi. And that's how you avoid the scams. Right now, make sure that the email you're getting is noreply@pi.email. Make sure you check. Just less than 5 seconds. Less than 5 seconds might save the future of your wallet and your security and your Pi. And all that you've been mining, all this I might get lost if you just fail to watch this, check this email. So confirm this email. It's on the official Pi blog. And one thing I love about the Pi core team, they have this safety menu item on their website, mind.pi.com. You can go check out each and every email they'll be sending. They'll be using all the official email, all the official links are there. So make sure you confirm. So make sure, as I said, they're showing you'll get an email like this. Make sure it's from Pi Network, no reply at pi.email. So no reply emails basically mean that if you send an email, it will bounce back. It really doesn't accept. So this email it's a one-way through kind of email that you're getting from Pi. So they send you an email like, hi, so-and-so, this email has been sent to you because you've confirmed your migration wallet, click the link and then confirm. And once you confirm, that is it. It is as simple as that. And then you'll notice one thing, and a lot of people are asking me this on DM. Yo, I've done the two-factor authentication, and then when I come back to the app, miraculously, I don't know where my Pi has gone to. My transferable Pi is now unverified. So what is happening? What is going on? So on this same blog, the Pi core team explains and said they're giving a 14-day window for them to actually confirm the Pi that should be migrated from the mining app into now the main ecosystem, your Pi, into your wallet. So what they're doing is they're first of all taking 14 days to confirm each and every person you referred, each and every affiliate, even each and every person you brought into Pi that was helping you increase your mining power. First of all, they're checking the 2 weeks to check who amongst all the people you invited has actually completed the KYC, who is actually following, who has done the liveliness check, who has completed each and everything, making sure that the Pi they've mined that you invited, those people invited, is actually real and legit. It's not Pi that you used robots or used bots or whatever, AGI to mine. That is what they are doing for the 2 weeks. So you'll notice that once you complete the two-factor authentication, your Pi is going to disappear. You will not see your Pi in the transferable balance. It will be unverified. But you'll give it a few days and then you'll start noticing it's coming back slowly. So I personally did this whole process when it came out on the 13th. So mine is clean. Mine is done. I'm really done. I think I'm among the first people in line, just waiting for the doors to open. So yeah, do that. Confirm your wallet. Make sure that it's actually from Pi, and I think it's only that, nothing else. Yeah. So yeah, what are the benefits? It actually secures. What are the benefits for all this? It's very important for all this is to secure the future and the security of Pi, to make sure that we do not have Pi that has been mined, Pi that has been corrupted, Pi that is illegal into the ecosystem. So they're just making sure that everything is running smoothly. So tell me in the comment section below, have you completed your migration? Have you had this pop up? Have you had any challenges? What do you think about this? Yeah, tell me on the comment section below. But this has been the news update from the Pi Core team, the two-factor authentication for migration wallets, helping to secure their accounts for the Pi community. Tell me what you think on the comment section below. Yeah, see you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this information and this news to a pioneer really needed. See you on the next one.